Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a new show on our old system. This is going to be the last show that we received before the remodel. So this is my last chance to film and show you how we do it. So, first up, you get a floppy disk. Can you believe it? We're still getting them in 2023. First, insert it in the computer while it's turned off. Turn it on. And turn on the computer. It's reading the information off the disk. See, if I bring you up here, you can see it's loading everything. Those are all the dances you see. It's getting all the information. Okay, it says remove disk and reset, reboot the computer. So we'll do that. Take the disk out. There we go. And then we'll come back down here, flip the switch off again. Now comes the part with the DVDs. So we get two DVDs. See, this one's for player 1 and this one's for player 2 because we have two DVD players up there. Put them in their respective discs, their respective players. Turn on the computer. Turn on both DVD players. They're going to go in there now. And I'll show you what I have to do outside. After putting in the password, start up, run diagnostic, no. And pretty soon we're going to be getting audio. And the show is going to work. And there it goes.